Hi everyone, this is Jeannie. Nice to meet you all.
Hi everyone, welcome to HeyGenius Studio. I'm Jeannie, and I'm so excited to meet you all. This video is just a little introduction about myself, what this channel is about, and what you can expect to learn from this channel. It's fascinating to see the way technology is changing our lives. And right now, one of the most powerful, exciting, and sometimes overwhelming technology is artificial intelligence. That's exactly what this channel will focus on. AI has been around for a long time, but it became much more mainstream after this LLM tool got popular, which is none other than ChatGPT. We're already living in the AI era. Yet many people are still wondering what AI really is, and often only know ChatGPT as the go-to AI tool. But AI is everywhere. You've probably already seen it in action. Voice assistants like Siri or Alexa, chatbots, recommendation systems on YouTube and Netflix, or even smart fridges that tell you when you're out of milk. And now, we have plenty of AI tools that can create images, videos, music, and also help with productivity. Here's the fun part. AI is no longer just for big tech companies. Now anyone, educators, students, business owners, content creators, or freelancers can use AI tools to save time, make life easier, and even earn money. And that's what this channel is all about. On this channel, I'll show you step-by-step how to use a wide variety of AI tools. Tools that generate content like text, images, and videos. Tools that help automate tasks for businesses or work. Tools that boost productivity like writing, editing, or designing. And even fun, creative tools that let you experiment with music, art, and storytelling. My goal is to make everything simple and easy to follow. I want this channel to be a space where beginners and curious minds can learn about AI without feeling overwhelmed. Whether you're totally new or already experimenting, you'll find something useful here. If that sounds good, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss anything. I'd love to hear where you are watching me from. Do comment down below and say hi, and from where you are watching, that would be delightful. Thanks so much for watching my very first video. It really means a lot to me. Let's explore AI together, and I'll see you in the next video.